What is up, YouTube? So today, I'm back with my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hello, YouTube.
And today is just going to be a quick video of us lighting a few fireworks. So let's get cracking, and I hope you enjoy. So we'll start off with the ground bloom flowers. That's what they do. Since they all do the same thing, I'm just going to light one more. So
Why don't you light the big one while Mom's out here?
I will. Now on to the big one.
Put it down, not light
I'm
it.
gonna.
He's showing people.
So this is the short stack low fuse for $1.
Put it down!
You kinda.
Then light it.
Oh, great. Jesus.
Still going. There's more.
Scared me.
Hang on. So that's the short stack. So those are the fireworks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you guys next time.